me because I've never done this on camera before. Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Marshallee and this channel is all things fashion, luxury, and self-care. It's been 2 years since I've been using this Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet. I wanted to give you some updates. So I did a video about 2 years ago and it was more of an unboxing, first impressions on this wallet. So today, like I said, I want to give you a 2-year update on the pros and cons, the wear and tear, and I'll be sharing with you the small bags that I have that this wallet could fit in so you can have an idea of what bags you would be able to fit this in. And as far as the specific details as the width of the wallet, how many cards it holds, I'll be leaving that in the description box. I'm gonna start with the outside of the wallet, and as you can see, it's in amazing condition. And I'm gonna do mod shots and up close videos for you guys to really see the quality of this wallet that I've been using for the past 2 years. Now, this is not my everyday wallet. I don't bring this wallet every day, but I do use this wallet weekly, whether it's 2 times a week, 3 times a week, but I've been using it weekly for the past 2 years. Now I'm focusing on the rim of the wallet or the edges of the wallet. There is a minor wear and tear right here, but it's so small. If I didn't say anything or if I didn't show it to you, you would not be able to see it. So I'm gonna open the wallet, and as you can see, the wallet is in very good condition as well inside. Now, if you can see the dent right here, but there's a little story to this. So this happened when I first got the wallet, like the first week. So honestly, this has nothing to do with wear and tear or over time. I had the wallet on the bed. Pretty much I was getting my cards, switching from my older wallet and getting all the cards inside my wallet. And my dog was on my bed and he's stretching, and then he goes poke and he poked the wallet right here. So that's kind of why it has this little dent, but hey, it's just gonna remind me of my sweet Toby, my sweet Boston Terrier, every time I open this wallet. So that's why that's there. As you can see for yourself, this wallet is in impeccable condition, and I have to say that this color is one of my favorite fall winter colors, but I also do use this wallet in the summertime as well. And I know I did say that I'm gonna link how many cards it can hold, but as you can see, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slots, and then it has a billfold here. Now, I do have some cash in here, and I think this cash I'm just gonna keep forever. It's the $2 bill, and I just don't wanna use it because one, I rarely use cash, and 2, I rarely ever come by those $2 bills. So I'm just keeping in this wallet, but I don't really carry cash. Honestly, I don't carry cash at all. So I don't really use this compartment, honestly, but maybe if I have like a small note or something that I want to keep really secured, I will tuck it away in here. But I'm going to take this out and I'm going to show you inside. And I'm going to move a little bit closer. Next is the zipper detail. This zipper is really easy to open and close, and it's in really good condition. Inside, I have little like papers stuck in here. Oh, this is actually from the Louis Vuitton when I first purchased it, and I still have it in here. But I usually keep coins in here, but for the video, I did take all the coins out because I just didn't want it to make a lot of noise. The clasp here, the button here, the gold button, there is absolutely no scratches on this as well. I mean, as you can see for yourself, this wallet has held up very well. When I first got this wallet, I thought that I would have to baby it, but turns out that I don't have to baby it. It's a high performance wallet. I can use it for anything. This wallet is very versatile. I've styled it many ways, and one of the ways that I've styled this wallet is I just bring it as a clutch. I know that it's small, but there's days where I'm dressed up and I don't need to bring many things. I just need to bring my ID and my cell phone in my hand. So I'll just have this wallet in my hand and my cell phone in my other hand, and it definitely spices up the outfit a little bit more. It also elevates the outfit as well. And then of course, I bring it in my large bags and I bring it in my mini bags. and my medium-sized bags. Now, talking about bags, I have some of my bags here to show you. So this is a small Coach bag, and I love this bag. So I'm going to put my wallet in here, and you can see that it fits easily. Now, I do have some stuff in here, as you probably can see, and the wallet still fits really easily in here. And I can zip it up as well. 1, 2, 3, super easy, and that's the bag with the wallet in it. Next is my Gucci bag, and this bag is even smaller than the Coach bag, and I did do a detailed review and what fits in this Gucci bag. I'm also gonna link this in the description box below so you can check out the review on that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this wallet from out of this Coach bag, and I'm gonna put it in this Gucci bag. Now, as I mentioned, this Gucci bag is smaller than the Coach bag. Now, this is how this wallet fits in here. This is definitely the smallest bag I have. And then I'm gonna close it. Snaps really easy. Okay, and is this the most like perfect fit? No, but it fits in there. Like, the sides are not bulging, and it's really easy to open. The only thing is that it does stick up here, but the width here is still pretty big enough, so I'm still able to close it. Once again, I'll show you guys again. And 1, 2, 3, super easy as well. So if you have a small bag this size, you can definitely get this wallet and it will fit. So I also wanted to point out something else with this wallet that I really love is the card holder spots. So these spaces, I can definitely double up my cards, which I usually do. Sometimes I do have tons of cards, and sometimes I don't bring all of them, but when I do, I definitely can double up this space here, and it definitely works really well. And I don't have a problem picking out each card once I double them. So there's definitely enough room in these slots to double up the cards. And then for extra space or extra cards, you can definitely use this spot, this compartment as well. This is definitely the most expensive wallet I have, and it's absolutely worth it. I love carrying this wallet, and it does everything that I need it to do and more. I figured since it's the holidays and we're all shopping for gifts for people that's special in our lives, and or treating yourself, I figured why not do a review on this today so you guys can be able to have an idea of how this wallet is and how's the wear and tear. And overall, the wear and tear on this is minimal, basically none. Overall, this wallet is absolutely chic. It's stunning, and I am just loving it. Another way that I style this wallet is if you have a chain that basically is removable from another bag or like an insert, and I'll show you guys a demonstration. So this is a chain, and you can get this chain on Samorga website. I'll link their website below. Okay, so I'm gonna put the first part in the bottom part of the wallet. I'm gonna carry it through here. Maybe I should take the $2 bills out. Okay, and then I'm gonna feed the second part of the chain into the second hole. Now, obviously, this is not something that you have to do if you got this wallet, but I just wanted to show you that there's ways to wear this Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet and how versatile it is. And it would be a really great Christmas gift, whether you're treating yourself or someone else. Clip this like this. Now you can do crossbody, or you can put this around your waist like a belt. So if you don't want this part to show on your shoulder or on the belt, you can loop it in and let it stay inside the wallet. And obviously you don't have to wear it this way, but I do want to show how versatile this wallet is, and if you wanted to get it. So I put the 2 clasps in here in the middle like that. So make sure that they're sitting right here. And then you just close the wallet. And there you go. You have a wallet on a chain. Then it'll just be kind of sitting right here on you with a crossbody. And then you want to make sure, that this clasp is inside. I mean, you can leave it out if you want, but I prefer it in here. And you can just wear it like this, and it'll kind of be like a crossbody just sitting on you like that. Is this Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet worth it? Absolutely. Yes, it's worth it. I think it's worth it. I love using this wallet. Like I said, I use it very often, and it's very versatile. It can fit in all my bags, and every time I use it, I think it's really chic. It goes with all my outfits. I will link this wallet in the description box below so you can have a look at it and possibly buy this for yourself for Christmas, or maybe a birthday's coming up, or for someone very, very special in your life. I hope this review was helpful, and let me know in the comments below if you plan on getting this wallet or gifting this wallet, or what do you think about this wallet. Thank you guys for your support, and I will see you next time. Bye.